Okay, this is a 1-minute guide on how to install Starlyte Nebula. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the installer, install the most recent version. It's going to ask me if I want to set it up. I'll say yes, and I'll install it into the default directory. Okay, this is done. I'll go ahead and find it in my installed program list, launch the app. And once the app launches, it'll ask you for a license. I'm going to go to the top left. I'm going to choose any one of these. So this is the observation or configuration. I'll choose configuration. Now it asks me for a license. Here I'm going to type in my license. Now that my license is installed, I'll go ahead and open the configuration menu. Now you can see all my different configurations. So I'll type in a name. Now I have a new configuration entry down here. Configuration files are simply JSON files, so these can be edited, copied, backed up, etc. Now I go through the list of drivers and I choose what devices I have. In this case, we'll do something like a manual filter. For the COM port, I'll select manual in this example and then hit detect, and it'll open up that device. I can edit the device. In this case, if I want to enter different values for the different positions. And once I'm happy with that, if I'm ready to use this configuration, I'll hit the load button. And now this is the configuration that will be used in observation. To launch observation, I'll go to the observation icon. And that's it. We're in observation.